5 proven ways to earn crypto profits for all skill levels. Welcome back to the channel. The crypto market continues to offer incredible opportunities for anyone looking to grow their wealth, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned expert. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 proven ways to earn profits in the cryptocurrency space, tailored for all skill levels. Whether you're starting small or scaling big, these strategies will help you unlock your full earning potential. Buy and hold, HODL. The simplest strategy for beginners. Buy strong cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum and hold them long-term. We'll explain how to pick reliable assets, when to buy, and the importance of patience during market volatility. Trading, short-term and long-term. Day trading and scalping. For those with time and a higher risk appetite, we'll teach you how to profit from daily market movements using charts and technical indicators. Swing trading. Learn how to capitalize on medium-term price trends for larger gains. Staking and earning passive income. Put your crypto to work. We'll show you how to stake coins like Cardano, ADA, Solana, Sol, or Ethereum, ETH, to earn consistent rewards. Discover the platforms with the best APY, annual percentage yield, for passive income. Yield farming and liquidity pools. For intermediate to advanced users, DeFi, decentralized finance platforms offer opportunities to earn high rewards by providing liquidity or farming tokens. We'll cover how to choose safe and profitable farming opportunities while avoiding impermanent loss. Investing in emerging projects and ICOs. No strategy is risk-free, so managing your capital wisely is critical. We'll share key tips on diversifying your portfolio, avoiding scams and rug pulls in the crypto space. Ready to start earning crypto profits? The first step is opening an account with a trusted broker or exchange. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up with one of the most secure and reliable platforms available. With low fees, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of cryptocurrencies, you'll be equipped to put these strategies into action right away. If you found this video helpful, here's how you can show your support. Checkmark like this video to help more people discover it. Checkmark subscribe to the channel for weekly tips, strategies, and crypto updates. Checkmark share this video with friends who are interested in earning profits in the crypto market. Have questions about any of these strategies or need help getting started? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help and would love to hear your thoughts or feedback on what's working for you in the crypto space. Don't wait to start earning. Open your account now using the link below and take advantage of these proven crypto profit strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, invest wisely, and take control of your crypto journey today.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.